Okay, so this is a job that I went to on Boxing Day. It's one of our maintenance policy customers. They had low pressure, they then overfilled it, and in the messing about they accidentally turned off the room stat. So I arrived, dropped the pressure back down in the boiler, turned the room stat on to get things up and running again. I was just about to leave and spotted a leak. Now, I didn't have any spares with me. This is a chrome radiator valve, which, if any of you know, they're always installed on tower rails. They're always in bathrooms, so often a leak will go unnoticed. They always leak the same way. They always fail in the same way, and that is the O-rings fail and the valve leaks. So this is how I went about repairing that valve to get it back as good as new and get the customer's heating and hot water back working. I hope you enjoy it. Boxing Day call out. That's for no pressure in it, so I'm going to show you how to repair these valves without replacement, because I haven't got a replacement. So my prep was to drain the pressure off here, yeah. Then I could start work. There's the setup. That's how a bucket bungs. I'll move this as well. One of these will do it. I'll just empty this. I might find a better fitting bung than that, because I think that will pop out. That's better. Okay, so now we're going to separate this by taking the clip out the end here, that clip, and then we push this spindle through the valve, and that will get us to the O-rings. There's usually two, and we'll replace them. There's the clip. There's that bit there. There's the two O-rings. I'm not even dressed for the occasion. Here we are. So I've cleaned it all up. Oh, I thought I cleaned that up as well. I only pulled a little bit off, but place the two seals and we will see. Pop this together. Oh, come on. There we go. Get this back on here. Can't do this one-handed, or can I? Oh yes, look, there you go. Get that clip back on there. PTFE that, put it all back together. Okay, tighten that up, put the covers back on it, job done. So let's get some pressure back in this. Get it back on. Just where you want a pressure gauge, eh? Don't know. But that noise is the boiler running down there because it's got water on it now. I'm just going to top this up to the red needle. The boiler's now going to vent itself. Let's go check that valve is leaking or not leaking downstairs. Alright, so these are the O-ring kits I carry. The red and blue box and that old one there. I don't know what that's for. I've had that since I was 17. Okay. Here's this. That shine is grease, by the way. No water. There you go. I've finished in time to go and get bitten by my brother's dog on Boxing Day. Perfect. Remember, if you fancy a new job, want to maybe join us, we do domestic, commercial, oil. We also do a bit of F-gas, so refrigeration. So we're an interesting business to work for. If it's something you fancy or are just interested, go to the homepage on YouTube here and you can email us. Also, if you're a new entrant to the gas industry and you want to do your portfolio, that is something we can also help you with, help you get your portfolio done. Again, just email us and hopefully we can sort something out with you.